start, I'd just like to thank ProLife also. Palakpakan natin ProLife for organizing this event. First time niyo pumunta this company, ProLife, from what I know, I made research, they go as far back as the Titanic. Sila yung mga, di ba maraming namatay sa Titanic? And one of the major insurer was ProLife. And then next, find the right one, Metro. Yung mga talaga, yung because matatanggap mo, dito pabili mo lang ng gamot. Diba nagigets nyo? So you need to have both. Next question, please. Go ahead. Go. Sige.
Hello, good afternoon.
Matungan. Matungan pa, diba? Pero ba't ka pa nandito after 1 year?
Yung culture po kasi, tapos yun nga, yung purposeful ka rin siya. Kaya tinutuloy.
O kaya nga, at the same time, the worst thing that can happen, alam mo, itibay ka. Kakapal ang mukha mo.
Yun, importante nun.
Hindi, totoo yan eh, kasi natututo ka eh. Agree?
Yes.
Parang sa ano namin, mga, di ba may mga LMM, the network.